Hey everyone, and welcome to IsmsByJBM. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a PR package that I received from Born Pretty. For all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in. And for my new viewers, please consider subscribing, share, hit that like button, leave a comment below, and click on that notification bell for future videos. So I'm going to do a quick video today just to show you what I've received in this part 1 video. And in the part 2 video that I'll be posting tomorrow, I'm going to be doing some product demonstration. So right now I'm just going to go in and open up these packages and see what we got, see what we're working with here. These are 5 random products that they had selected and given to me. And I'm already seeing some really cool stuff. We've got some metallic gel paint. We've got some extension type gel stuff. This here is some extension in a bottle, I guess builder in a bottle. I love using builder in a bottle. And this here is glitter thermal gel, so that's pretty cool. I do have like a bunch of thermal gels that I don't really use. And this here, this is Jelly Nude Gel. Okay, looks pretty dark, but we'll see what that looks like. So let me just open these items now. This one I opened and it did have like a metallic covering on it. And this is what I saw after I removed the metallic covering. And at first it looks like hard gel, and I was like, ooh, I love hard gel. But as you see, I'm using my cuticle pusher to kind of jab at this stuff, and it's pretty, like, if you didn't know what it was, you would have been like, oh no, the gel had hardened, this thing is ruined. But you know what, I've actually seen this stuff in other videos, so this should be interesting because I don't think there was much enjoyment in the other channels using this, but I love extension gels, different kinds, anything polygel-esque, even builder in a bottle, hard gel, stuff like that. So this is going to be interesting to use. And in my product demonstration video in the part 2 that I'll be posting tomorrow, it's going to be interesting to use because I'm only going to use what they gave me. I'm not going to even, I'll mention if I do prep or what have you, but this looks like that's all there is. And watching other people's videos, there's no tools, you just use your hands. So again, there's a metal film on this. I removed that as well off camera, and we're just going to open this now and check out what kind of metallic. Ooh, so this is really cool. It has, like, it looks silver, but look, there's little splotches of gold, but I don't think that has anything to do with the actual color of it. I think it's just the metal. So I think this is like a silver kind of metal, and it reminds me of T-1000 in the Terminator movie. If you've ever, leave a comment below if you've seen it. But that stuff looks pretty cool. This is really, it looks like liquid metal. The only thing is I opened that container and it smells pretty strong. So moving on to the next, this is the Milky White, I guess, extension gel in a bottle or builder in a bottle. I'm just reading what the title says, and it doesn't say builder in a bottle, but that's pretty much what it is. So I'm going to love using this. I love hard gels and builder in bottles, and it's so easy to apply, so I can't wait to use that. The next bottle we have here is the glitter thermal gel, which I'm very excited to use. And let's check out what color it is, because they don't have names for their colors, just like numbers and letters. This is pretty dark. I wonder what it's going to look like. Like, there's little flecks of metal glitter in there. So this would be interesting to see when I swatch it. And last but not least, this is the Jelly Nude Gel Polish. And it looks like the swatch on the front looks dark. I mean, maybe that's not supposed to be the swatch, but wow, look at this. It is actually the swatch on the bottle, but it looks kind of reddish, and it looks pretty dark, but it's supposed to be a jelly, so that will be also interesting to swatch. So thank you for joining me in this short unboxing video. Join me again tomorrow for the part 2, where I'm going to do a product demonstration of these Born Pretty products. And I'll see you again next time. Thanks. Bye.